Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 6th of July. I'm taking sell trade again. NFP is tomorrow, by the way. It's the 6th of July 2023. I'm taking a sell trade, and this trade should make me about $4,000 profit. Remember, we started this account with $250. We've grown it to over $19,000. Profits, just straight pure profits, taking money from dumb money. And yeah, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in this market. If you want to copy my trades for free and you want to test my software, sign up in Yoga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you fund your account and send me proof of that. We'll be right back with more profits. All right, I heard my alarm that I'm getting closer and closer to take profit. We're over $4,000 in profit, and guys, I just have to close it early. We're over 4,000, which is what I wanted. NFP is coming very soon. This is the 7th of July, by the way, so NFP is coming very, very soon. So I'm just closing out over $4,000 profits. Very good. We've made over $23,000 profit. So guys, I'm going to make a 3,000 withdrawal. Remember, if you want to learn how to scalp the markets, I teach my students with live trades, live scalping, live hedging. I use my account and I show them that I practice what I preach. Go to hedgingmastermind.com and the software comes free with the course. If you want to copy my trades, fund your account with $350 to $500. Link in the description below. Make sure you're using my the broker that I use, and then send me proof on WhatsApp and Telegram. If you want to use my software for free for 2 weeks, get it for free, test it out, sign up in Mega Market. Also make sure you have at least $150 in your account so that I know that you're serious, you want to use it to make trades, you want to really test it, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. Also, I give free signals. I do 3 live streams every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 5 p.m. Amsterdam time. Convert that to your time, and yeah, come join me on my live stream and ask me questions about trades you're in. I give free signals, free analysis, everything free during the live stream. And yeah, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and click the comments. And click the notification bell, and make sure you make a comment. Make sure your notification bells are on. And yeah, we'll be right back with another trading video very soon. Like, share, and subscribe.